If you're looking at the tablet space right now, you've probably seen these two models pop up. The Huawei MatePad 11.5 from 2024 and its successor, the 2025 PaperMatte Edition. It's a classic case of old versus new, and we're going to break down exactly what's changed. If you find this comparison helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. It really helps the channel out. Starting with the design and build, both tablets share a very similar footprint, but the devil is in the details. The 2024 model comes in at an incredibly slim 6.2mm thick and weighs 510 grams. The newer 2025 PaperMatte Edition is slightly thicker at 6.85mm but is actually a touch lighter, weighing approximately 499 grams. So you're getting a device that feels a bit more substantial in the hand without adding extra heft. The display is where things get really interesting and where the 2025 model gets its name. The 2024 MatePad 11.5 features a fast 144Hz TFT LCD display with a resolution of 1840 by 2800 pixels. It's a great screen, sharp and fluid. The 2025 model shifts to what Huawei calls a PaperMatte display. It's still an LCD, but it's designed to reduce glare and mimic the look of paper, which is a huge deal for reading and writing. Its resolution is slightly different at 2200 by 1440 pixels with a 120Hz smart refresh rate that adjusts based on what you're doing. Under the hood, we have a significant processor upgrade. The 2024 model runs on an unspecified octa-core chipset. It gets the job done, but the 2025 model is packing the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 mobile platform. This is a substantial leap in performance and efficiency, meaning the newer tablet will handle more demanding apps and games much better, and it should also contribute to better battery management. Speaking of software, the 2024 model launched with HarmonyOS 4.2. The 2025 PaperMatte Edition comes with the newer HarmonyOS 3.1 out of the box. You'll get all the latest features and optimizations with the newer OS version, which is designed to take full advantage of the upgraded hardware. Memory and storage configurations see a tweak as well. The 2024 model offered a wide range of options: 128GB with 8GB RAM, 256GB with 8GB or 12GB RAM, and a 512GB model with 12GB RAM. The 2025 model, at least from the available info, seems to standardize on a single configuration, 256GB of storage paired with 8GB of RAM. This is a solid setup for most users, but it does remove the option for those who wanted the maximum 12GB of RAM. The battery and charging systems are different between the two generations. The 2024 model has a larger 8800 mAh battery supported by 22.5 watt wired charging and even a 5 watt reverse wired charging feature. The 2025 model has a 7700 mAh battery, which is smaller on paper, but paired with the more efficient Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 processor, real-world battery life should still be very competitive. It supports faster charging at 10 volts and 2.25 amps. The camera systems appear nearly identical on the surface. Both have a 13-megapixel rear camera and an 8-megapixel front camera. The differences are in the small details. The 2024 model has a slightly wider aperture on its front camera at f2.0 compared to the f2.2 on the 2025 model. For a tablet, both are perfectly capable for video calls and scanning documents. Audio is a strong point for both devices. Each model is equipped with a 4-speaker stereo setup enhanced by Huawei's His10 audio technology. You're going to get a rich, immersive sound experience whether you're watching movies, playing games, or listening to music, with no compromises between the two generations. Finally, let's talk connectivity and extras. Both tablets are Wi-Fi-only models with no cellular option. They support dual-band Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.2. A key feature carried over is the magnetic accessory connector on the USB-C port, which means both are fully compatible with Huawei's keyboards and styluses for getting work done or creating art. So which one should you choose? The 2024 Huawei MatePad 11.5s remains a fantastic tablet, especially if you can find it at a discounted price. Its high refresh rate display and large battery are big selling points. But the 2025 PaperMatte Edition brings meaningful upgrades, a superior Snapdragon processor, the innovative anti-glare PaperMatte screen, and a newer version of HarmonyOS. If your budget allows, the newer model is the more forward-looking choice. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this head-to-head comparison, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like on the video.